Sorry. Thank you for the reminder. We were seeing that on the daily, there's a rejection of the previous structure point. We are retesting the neckline, right?
Yes. I think this is here, I think this one, Euro USD.
Okay.
I saw here this one, head and shoulders. This. Now market is retesting the head and shoulder and make a daily pin bar engulfing. But the problem is market at this point have so many time push upside. I want to break this level of support, then I want to sell this one.
Okay.
Market make a base here.
Say that again.
Market make a base here, this one. This is the level of support also. Market break this one, but market break above another time and retesting like that. If market break this one downside, retest I'm selling this. This is the level of support. This one.
Which one?
This one I mark right now. This one.
Okay.
If market break this one, I sell Euro USD.
Okay. And this level
And
of
this is
support,
all confluence.
Bilal, the support that you outlined, is
Yes.
this your daily AOI?
Daily.
Okay. This one, got you.
See this one, market comes here and push upside.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Market come here, push. Come here, push. I want to break, market break this one. Then he breaks above and he literally like he testing the area of interest to push upside. And create here head and shoulders. I want to break this support level down, retest, then sell.
Break and retest that
Yes.
AOI. Got you.
Because I can sell here, but I see this support.
Mm-hmm.
And market create a base here. This one, consolidation base.
Okay.
And other side, GBP USD is clear. This is outstanding.
This is what? I'm sorry?
GBP USD is outstanding looking. I only want from GBP USD shift of structure 30 minute. Bus. I want this one. He shift structure, retest I sell.
Right. Michelle is asking a question. Hold on a second. Would that be possibly 2 daily candles on Euro USD to look for?
2 daily candles?
So, Michelle, on Euro USD,
Yes.
Michelle is asking, would that be possibly 2 daily candles to look for?
Which one? This
Michelle,
is Euro USD.
Hey, so are we gonna wait for the break and retests on the daily? So we'll be looking for 2 daily candles before we decide.
Yes, of
Possibly.
course.
Yeah.
And other one, if market give a shift of structure above, reject this area right now, I will buy this one.
wait, you will buy or you will sell?
I want to sell if he breaks the support.
Okay.
If he doesn't break the support and he trades above area of interest and give us a signal of shift of structure 2 times, then we buy this one
Ah, okay.
with extra confirmation.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. If he breaks support's level, then we sell.
Okay.
See, this is looking like he break and retest area of interest. Here,
Mm-hmm.
he break, retest, can push upside. But trend is bullish, bearish. That's why I'm looking for sell. He breaks support level downside, then I sell.
Okay.
This is all about patience.
Right.
Number one pair is GBP USD.
Yes,
What's the
GBP
s-
USD.
what's the second pair? So Bilal, can you do all of us a favor? So GBP USD, can you break down through all the confluences?
Yeah, this is all the confluences. I written here.
Mm-hmm.
It's rejecting daily previous structure point, daily doji candlestick rejection, daily bearish momentum. And at 4 hour, we look shift of structure downside.
So Bilal,
And
on the 4 hour, we already have the shift of structure. So
yes,
are you gonna like when the market opens,
yes.
are you going to wait for the next 4 hour bearish candle, or you're gonna wait for the daily to close?
No,
And
no, no, I don't want to daily to close.
no,
If
okay.
you see in Confluence, I'm writing him waiting for 30-minute SOS, 30-minute shift of structure, because 30 minutes is bullish right now.
Yeah.
30 minutes create a right head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I want to break this one, retest, then sell.
D'accord.
30-minute is bullish right now.
Right. Okay, so if I understand correctly, on GBP USD, you are now waiting for the 30-minute shift of structure and then you
Yes,
sell. Okay,
yes.
got it.
4 hour bearish, 2 hours bearish, 1 hour 1 hour also bullish. But I want to wait 30 minutes to go bearish.
Okay,
Then I
yeah,
sell.
perfect.
If we see on 30 minutes, it create a inverted head and shoulder. That's why I want to break this one.
What happens if the shift of structure happens above the area of interest? Are you
Above
still
area of
selling?
interest? No, no, I want to shift of structure in area of interest or below area of interest.
Got you. Okay.
We are go with momentum. We can't catch the market at the top.
Yeah.
When market push the downside behavior downside, then I enter the trade.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sammy
Because
said,
all of the people want to catch market at the top or at the bottom. And if you see the LX challenge, 100 to million or 1000 to 100K, LX take all the trades with momentum. When market clear pushes up or downside.
yeah,
If market now push downside, it's confirmed market is going bearish. I wait this last push right now. If the market push downside, retest, I enter. I doesn't wait anything.
Mm-hmm.
I want only shift of structure 30 minutes.
Okay.
Another pair is odd USD.
Can you break it down for us?
This one
AUD, the one AUD USD.
AUD USD. Yes, AUD USD is trend bearish.
Mm-hmm.
Weekly also bearish.
Mm-hmm.
Weekly bearish engulfing candlestick, and it's close below the area of interest.
Mm-hmm.
We wait 1 day or 2 days, we create something lower high, then break, we sell this one. It's not going downside before he can't push upside. First he go upside, make a
Yeah.
lower high, then give us push. And market 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in consolidation.
Got it. Thank you.
And this is also bearish. For our bearish, daily bearish, weekly bearish.
Yeah.
We wait for only for a daily lower high. In weekly, he will create a wick. 4 hour go bullish, then he go bearish. Because we take swing trades.
Bilal, if you want, you can speak your language and Shannon can translate. I didn't
Yeah.
get that last part that you said.
ਭਾਜੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ?
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ?
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ। ਅਜਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ। ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਕੈਂਡਲ ਹੈ, ਵੀਕਲੀ ਨੇ ਲੋਵਰ ਲੋ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਜੀ।
ਯਾ
ਵੀਕਲੀ ਨੇ ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ।
ਅਸੀਂ AUD USD ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
AUD USD।
ਓਕੇ।
ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਡੇਲੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਲੋਵਰ ਲੋ ਬਣਿਆ, ਡੇਲੀ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ। ਜਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਹੋਏ ਦੀ ਹਾਈ ਰਿਸਕ ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ।
ਓਕੇ।
ਜਿਹਦਾ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ TP ਵੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੋਏ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਆ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਅਬਵ ਤੇ ਐਦੋਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਐਸਐਲ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ TP ਬੰਦਾ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖੇ।
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਨਾ, ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ।
ਜੀ ਇਹ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਹੋਈ ਦੀ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਜੇ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਉਹਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਦਾ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੈਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਲੋਅਰ ਹਾਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਤੇ?
ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਡੇਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣੇਗਾ।
ਵੀਕਲੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੇਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ?
ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ, ਡੇਲੀ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ। ਵੀਕਲੀ
ਅਜੇ
ਨੇ
ਦੋਨੋਂ
ਨਾ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ
ਬੇਰਿਸ਼
ਅਜੇ
ਹੀ ਆ।
ਸਿਰਫ ਹੈ ਲੋਵਰ ਲੋ ਬਣਾਇਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਨੇ ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ।
ਅੱਛਾ।
ਇਹ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਜੈਕਟ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ। ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਆਡੀ ਵੇਕ ਉਹਨੇ ਛੱਡੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
ਹਾਂ
ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਜੈਕਟ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ।
ਓਕੇ। ਹਾਂ
ਇਹਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਕੰਸੋਲੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰੇ ਦੀ, ਲੋਵਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਈ ਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1 ਡੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੈਲ ਹੋਈ ਦੀ ਆ। 2-3 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਗੇ।
ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁਣ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ, 2-3 ਲੱਗੂਗੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹ?
ਹਾਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਿ 2-3 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗਣ ਦੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਵਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਪਏ।
ਹਾਂ ਸੈਲ ਹੋਇਆ,
ਲਿਕਵਿਡੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਸੈਲ ਹੋਈ ਦੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਸੇਮ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਹੋਰ
ਇੱਥੇ
ਥੋੜਾ
ਲਿਕਵਿਡੇਟ
ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ
ਕਰੇਗੀ,
ਨਾ ਇਹਨੇ? ਓਕੇ। ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ
ਫਿਰ
ਫਿਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਏਗਾ।
ਅਗਲਾ ਪੁਸ਼ ਥੱਲੇ ਦੇ ਦੀ।
ਓਕੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਡੇਲੀ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਹਾਇਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਏਗਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ
लोअर
ਬਾਅਦ
हाई
ਫਿਰ
बनाया था।
ਲੋਅਰ ਹਾਈ ਬਣਾਏਗਾ ਯਾ
जी जी।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so guys what he's saying about AUD USD is if you go back to the weekly time frame he's saying it's bearish right now if you see the previous structure point where he circled on the left the market comes up and hits the resistance and goes back down so he's waiting for that as well uh weekly is bearish daily is also bearish daily is also
लोअर
bearish there can be a slight liquidity grab that he's talking about just looking at the previous structure points and he's looking for sells on this so just like yeah just like this one on the previous structure point so it touches and it's going to go down if you want to go against the market that would be a counter trend trade but that is not
हाई रिस्क,
that's very high risk yes
because market create a lower high. If you want to take the trade lower high, it's high risk trade.
did everyone get it he's just waiting on he's waiting for a few more days maybe a couple of days new lower high and lower low and then sells on the AUD USD
Okay. So it basically is the same, right? He's waiting
yes
for the liquidity grab, break and retest the AOI to sell.
yes
Same thing here, this point.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
Daily wants a lower high. Daily at the lower low point and weekly at lower low point.
Perfect. Thank you. So that's for AUD USD.
Yes. Another one, my pair is USD JPY.
Bilal, you can speak in your language, and then Shannon, if you don't mind, will translate.
Okay, okay. अच्छा भाजी मेरा अगला पेयर है USD JPY. ठीक है,
हाँ जी हाँ जी
इन्हें वीकली डोजी बनाई है ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਹਫਤੇ ਵੀ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਬਣੇ ਦੀ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਇਹਦੀ ਬਾਏ ਦੀ ਬਣਨੀ ਹੈ
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ
ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ
ਬੋਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ USD JPY ਦੀ ਡੋਜੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਰਾਈਟ
ਜੀ ਵੀਕਲੀ
ਓਕੇ
ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈ
ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਡੇਲੀ ਵੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈ
ਹੂੰ
4 ਆਵਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਦੀਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਵੇਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਸੇਮ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਲੈ
ਓਕੇ
ਇਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਏ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ ਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ
ਹਾਂ
ਰੀਟੈਸਟ ਕਰੇ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਏ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ
ਮਤਲਬ ਬਾਈ ਹੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਹੀ
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ
ਹੈਗਾ
ਬਾਏ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੇ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਲੱਭਾ ਵਿਕ ਫਿਲ ਦਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਵਿਕ ਫਿਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਕਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਹੈ ਸਿਰਫ ਵਿਕ ਫਿਲ ਹੋਰ
ਓਕੇ
ਕੋਈ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ
ਸਿਰਫ ਵਿਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ
ਸਿਰਫ ਵਿਕ ਫਿਲ ਦਾ ਜੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਬਾਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਏ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਣੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਰ ਬਣਿਆ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਚ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਤੇ ਜਿਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਇਹਨੇ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇਹਦਾ
ਹੂੰ
4 ਘੰਟੇ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ ਤੇ ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so guys USD JPY weekly is bearish
ਬੁਲਿਸ਼
daily weekly is bullish daily
ਬੁਲਿਸ਼
is also bullish So what he's looking for, if you go to the 4 hour, he's waiting for this.
Strong
You see the
rejection.
blue candle for the rejection. Yeah. So for him, he's looking for buys on this pair. If it hits the support down there, he's gonna look for buys. If not, if it breaks this structure, it goes up. You see the upper arrow. If the candle closes above that structure, or above the area of interest, he waits for it to come back to the support and then buy again.
Wait, can you show, hold on, Shannon, can you repeat the last part and like can you show when you say it breaks at the bottom, what do you mean by that? The
So
bottom of the tail,
so weekly and daily they're bullish, right?
Yeah,
4 hour is bearish.
correct.
So what's happening with 4 hour? Yeah, it's bearish. So you see the circle that he made, the lower one,
Yeah,
that one, this one.
right. Okay.
So he's waiting for the candle to, or the market to come back down there, and then as soon
Make
as
a
it
double bottom.
Oh,
create a
I see.
double bottom basically, and
Yeah.
then he's looking for buys. If the market does not come back here, if it goes up, then he's looking, you see the circle above that, he's looking for another same structure kind of happening. So he's looking for the market to go to break the structure down there, on touch the lower circle. If
Mhm.
not, if the market keeps on pushing up, he still looks for the market to come back down to the area of interest that is above,
This.
Right, yeah.
and hit it, and then look for buys
And
again.
then buy. Yeah. Perfect, thank
So
you.
basically, what he's doing is just he waits for the market to shift structure and break and retest, and that's when he takes the trade in the direction of the
Of the trend.
trend.
Yeah.
This is clear push upside. This one. ऐसा जी clear push upside है ठीक है
ठीक है.
ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਿੱਡਦਾ ਖਿੜਦਾ ਪਿਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਪੁੱਲ ਬੈਕ ਹੈ
Yeah.
ਇਹ ਪੁੱਲ ਬੈਕ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਐਸੇ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਬਿਗ ਮੂਵ ਇਹਨੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ
Okay, so guys, what he's saying is, you see the candles or the structure. There's a huge push up.
Mhm.
So this is the trend, and then what he's doing is the market is going down. This is just a pullback, and he's looking for something similar now. So he's looking. So
Mhm.
the market will test, and then the big push up again.
Very clear.
So this is USD JPY, and then again, this I think it's going to take a couple of days as well.
Yeah.
So number one pair for the next week is GBP USD
yes
for sells, correct?
yes sell
And then what's your Bilal दूजा केड़ा हैगा pair अपना?
ਦੂਜਾ ਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਆਡ USD ਨੂੰ ਵੀ 2 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗਣੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੇਰਾ
Okay.
USD JPY ਵੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਐਨ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਣਾ 1-2 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਤੇ
Okay.
1-2 ਦਿਨ ਉਹ GBP USD ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੇਰਾ ਯੂਰੋ GBP
Okay, ठीक है. So he's saying that he's taking the GBP USD. It's gonna go on for like a couple of days, and till then, the next pair that would be ready would be the USD JPY for buys, and AUD USD as well for sells. Those two trades will take a couple of days, but I think GBP USD, I think it should be ready by Monday.
Monday.
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬਾਏ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਅੰਦਰ
He's
ਸਿਰਫ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਬਣੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੇ ਯੂਰੋ GBP
So he's saying that the Euro GBP is also looking good for buys. He can see just there's market structures in the middle, but the trend is all bullish.
Yeah.
I think what he's doing basically is breaking. He's looking for the structure to break, retest, and then buys or sells in the direction of the trend. That is his main motive, and that's why he's saying that patience is important.
and area of interest where market give you push downside the and the upside make that one area of interest in higher high and a higher low
Wait, Bilal, can you say this in your language, please?
ਭਾਜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
ਹਾਂ
ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੜੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਵੇ ਪੁਸ਼ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਡਾਊਨ ਦਾ,
ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ
ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਆਏਗੀ, ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਆਏਗੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਨੇ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਪੁਸ਼ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਜੇ ਬਾਏ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਅਗਰ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ,
yeah no I
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ
think
ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਹੋਵੇ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼,
ਹਾਂ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਟੁਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ।
bullish yeah
ਨਹੀਂ
ਇਸ ਜੇ ਇਸ ਸੇ
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ
ਉੱਤੇ ਚਲ
ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ
ਗਈ
ਜੇ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਏ। ਜੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ
ਓਕੇ
ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼ ਹੈ, ਹੁਣ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ,
ਹਾਂ
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੇ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੈ ਪਏ ਨੇ,
ਹਾਂ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਏ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਇਹ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਏ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਜੇ ਪੁਸ਼ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਦਵੇ, ਲੇਕਿਨ
ਤੇ
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਗਈ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ AOI ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ
ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ,
ਓਕੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਪੂਰਾ ਹਫਤੇ ਦਾ ਸੇਮ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ
ਸੇਮ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ, ਸਿਰਫ ਮੈਂ ਸੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ। ਅੱਜ
ਓਕੇ
ਮੈਂ ਸੈਚਰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਾਲ ਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ okay guys so he actually said a very nice thing so he said that the area of interest is different for everyone right um he only changes his AOI on Sundays
Okay.
if it's during the week he does not even touch it so for example if you see the area of interest that he has the first one on the top there's 1 2 3 4 5 there's 5 market structures in there
Mm-hmm.
right
Yeah.
there's 3 over there one where he circled and the one on the extreme right yeah left yes right there so there's 5 structure points just like Alex said as well look for a AOI which has more than 3 or
Mm.
more than 3 structure points he's doing the same thing and he said that so for example if the market structure is bearish and it breaks the AOI he will still wait for the market to come back down touch the support or the resistance and still look for sells so
Mm-hmm.
just like he drew right there if the market structure is bearish but the market breaks the
This is
AOI
example. This is his example. Market break above.
yes so this
We
is
wait
the
market break down, retest, then sell.
yes so you see right there the one that he circled the second
Yeah.
circle from the left
And
right
this one also. Market trend is bullish. Market break downside. We
Hmm.
wait market come above, then buy.
Okay, so yeah, he basically waits for the market to come back to his AOI. He does not change it every other day. He just changes it on at the end of the week on Sunday.
Yeah,
That's
he
it.
just adjusts it, really, right?
Say that again.
He just adjusts it according to what the market did during that week.
Yes,
If it
so
created
only
a
on,
new
so
structure point.
he puts in new AOIs on
Mhm.
only on Saturdays or Sunday to be ready for next week. That's what he's doing. He does
Right.
not change it. He never changes it for the whole week. So
Right.
for me, during the week, I tend to change my AOIs as well, and I look at the what do you say? I look at the pair,
Mhm.
and if it creates new market structures, I usually change my AOIs. That's one
And
of the
want to
problems.
chase the trade. Go
Yeah.
run before trade.
So
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੱਸਦੇ ਨੇ, ਚੇਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ,
yeah.
ਪਿਕਡ ਆਊਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
So that is something what I was doing as well. What he's saying is people who change their AOIs within the week, they're actually chasing the trade.
Right. Makes sense.
So don't touch your AOIs until the end of the week. So I'm going to do that because I used to change my AOIs.
Okay.
And basically what he's saying is for the market structure to come to the AOI, if the trend is bullish, he would wait for it to come and touch the resistance or support, and then he will look for buys. He's always trading in the direction of the trend.
In the direction of the trend. Got it. Well, when two time frames are in sync, right? Either the weekly
Yes.
and daily or daily and 4 hour.
Bilal,
ਜੀ ਜੀ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਬਸ ਸਮਝ ਗਏ।
ਫੋਲੋ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੇਖ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੋ ਸਿੰਕ ਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ।
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਨਾ ਹਾਇਰ ਹਾਈ,
ਹਾਂ
ਤੇ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਅਪ ਦਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਆ ਪੁਸ਼ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ।
ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਹਾਇਰ ਹਾਈ ਦਾ,
ਜੀ ਜੀ,
ਤੇ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡੇਲੀ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਬੜੇ,
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਫਿਰ ਕੌਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ, ਲਾਈਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਡੇਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜੇ ਸਿੰਕ ਚ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਿੰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਂਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਸਾਂ, ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਂਦਾ।
ਅੱਛਾ
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
ਮਤਲਬ
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੋ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ,
ਓਕੇ
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹਾਇਰ ਹਾਈ, ਹਾਈਐਸਟ
ਹਾਂ
ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ ਵੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੀ ਰਿਜੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵੇਖੋ, ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਪੁੱਲ ਬੈਕ ਦਾ ਵੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਇਨਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ।
ਹਾਂ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਿੱਚਣਾ ਹਾਈਐਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਆਪਣੇ।
ਓਕੇ,
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ, ਛੋਟੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ 'ਚ ਰੀਟੈਸਟ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਲ ਬੈਕ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਸੁੱਟੋ, ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੋ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਚੁੱਕੋ।
ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ AOI ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੈਗਾ AOI ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੀ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ। ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ, ਤੇ ਬੇਰਿਸ਼ ਹੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ NZD JPY?
NZD JPY
ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੇਰਿਸ਼ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ
ਨਹੀਂ,
AOI ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰ ਗਿਆ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ।
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਸੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ
ਓਕੇ
ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ,
ਹਾਂ
ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਸੀ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਸੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਮੋਮੈਂਟਮ ਡਾਊਨ ਦਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ, ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ,
ਹੂੰ
ਜਿਹਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਤੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੱਕ ਇਹਦਾ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
ਓਕੇ
ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ, ਰੀਟੈਸਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਇੱਥੇ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਸੀ। ਇਹ
ਓਕੇ
ਮੇਰਾ
ਸੋ
ਪਹਿਲਾ
ਗਾਇਸ,
AOI ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਲਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸੰਡੇ।
okay ਠੀਕ ਹੈ guys, he's saying that he used to look for markets in sync, like the weekly bullish and daily bullish. He used to look for it but does not look for it anymore. He just looks at market structure mostly.
Oh,
And yeah, he says that if it is in sync then it's added confluence, but he does not usually care. So if a weekly is bullish or daily is bearish, he would still go and look at the market structure.
so then,
Where is market?
but there's still a trend. So which trend does he
So
follow? The weekly
so
or the
what he's usually doing is if he's taking a look at the market structure, and he takes a look if the market touches the support and then goes up, right? So that's market. If market is continuously doing that, if the previous 2 or 3 structures are doing like that, if they touch the support and they go back up, so then he will also put a trade in the direction of the market structure which is going up.
Okay.
And if market give push like that, this one push, I can't wait market come here and I buy. I see the signal inside this and I sell the market. Come here, then I buy.
So if you see the previous structure points, like the trades that he took, it touched the resistance and the market came down. And then it did it again. It touched the resistance, which is his top AOI, and the market again came down. On
Right.
the third structure, it crossed the resistance, but he still waited for the market to come down and he took the trade.
Okay. Okay.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਬਰ ਤੇ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਹਾਇਰ ਹਾਈ ਹੈ, ਮਾਰਕੀਟ
Yeah.
ਆਪਣੇ ਹਾਈ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਹਾਇਰ ਲੋ ਤੇ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਏਰੀਏ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੇ, ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ। ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਏਰੀਆ ਗੱਲ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਾ ਵੇਖੋ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਸੈੱਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ, ਵੇਟ ਕਰੋ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਾਪਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਏਰੀਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ, ਐਂਟਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ ਰੀਟੈਸਟ ਉੱਤੇ।
Okay, so he's saying that patience is very important. He's saying that don't be greedy, because he said that even if you know that the market is going to go up, you still wait for that confirmation. You just don't take the trade right away,
Right.
and don't change your AOIs.
Okay. Awesome.
ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਅਪ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਡਾਊਨ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ, ਜੇ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ।
Yeah, so he said that even if it breaks your area of interest, you still wait for the market to come back to your area of interest. Don't take don't trade in between those spots. Just wait for the market to be at the area of interest.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. I know Bilal said that he has to go. Um, Bilal, do you have to go now, or can you take maybe a question or two if someone has one? Or, if not, we're good, and you feel free to just leave when you have to.
Okay, no problem. If you have any question, I will answer and then I go. Another pair is my cat JPY. I want to break, retest and buy. This is also a very powerful liquidity pool. Market hunt all these liquidity and then push up.
Guys, I've never seen so many opportunities in the market unless until Bilal showed it to us. Because I usually just wait for one pair or something, but he showed all these pairs have opportunities.
Yeah, because he's not waiting for two time frames in sync. He just sees what the market is doing and jumps. And as soon as it
Yeah.
meets the confluences, he just takes it.
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਪੇਅਰ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਇਨ ਸਿੰਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਇਹ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਾਂ ਦੱਸੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂ,
ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ 2 ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਇਨ ਸਿੰਕ ਨੇ
ਅੱਛਾ।
ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ
ਸੋ
ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਹੈ
ਓਕੇ, ਤੇ
ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਹਾਲ
ਮਤਲਬ
ਇਹ ਲਈਏ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਆਹੋ
ਵੈਸੇ
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
ਰੇਅਰਲੀ
ਇਹ
ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਿੰਕ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਰੇਅਰਲੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਸਿੰਕ 'ਚ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਲਵਾਂ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ 2 ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਸਿੰਕ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਤੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਐਡਾ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟਾਂ ਹੈ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ 2 ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੇਮ ਇਨ ਸਿੰਕ ਨੇ
Okay, so guys, he's saying that all the pairs that he showed today, all of them, the markets are, they're in sync, and he's saying that usually he also checks out the market, but if the market is not in sync, he still goes around and he looks at the market structure if it makes sense with his confluences.
So
Yes.
during the week, he looks at all the pairs, so he doesn't limit himself to the pairs he selected for that week.
No, this one selected only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this one, pairs, only these pairs.
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
close this all. Only this pair.
okay.
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜ ਛੇ ਪੇਰ ਹੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਬਸ?
ਆਹ ਦਾ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਐਨੀ ਪੇਅਰ ਨੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਪੇਅਰ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਨੇ ਓਨਲੀ ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਵਾਲੇ
Okay,
2 3 ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਓਨਲੀ ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਕਾਇਦਾ ਲਿਖੇ ਆ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ ਡੇਲੀ ਬੁਲਿਸ਼ 4
okay,
ਆਵਰ ਬੈਰਿਸ਼
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. Yeah, so I mean, I think we all got what we needed.
Yeah,
If you have any more questions, we can also reach out to him directly.
yeah, okay. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Bilal. That was awesome. Very helpful.
Can I ask you?
Thank you.
I'll just share my screen. Is that fine?
Yeah?
Okay, one second. Let me open my chat because I'm looking at
Bilal
you,
ਵੀਰੇ,
ਜੀ ਜੀ
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਕੱਲਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਾਈਟ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੱਲਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ
ਅੱਛਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਜੀ
Okay, who's sharing the screen now?
Me. Hi, Bilal. Can you see my screen, Shannon? So you explain to him what I'm
Yeah.
seeing, what I'm
Guys,
seeing, yeah?
screen?
Yeah, we see your screen.
Okay, one second. Let me hide this. Okay, yeah. So I'm looking at you JPY. Trying to hide
Yes,
this.
you okay, fine.
So your JPY, and when I looked at the analysis yesterday, I'm seeing a counter trade to this area of interest. So just point me if I'm doing that correctly. Trying to hide this. So Shannon, tell him what I said and what he thinks about it.
Yeah, I see the Euro JPY not in my list for this week, but
Okay.
what you want for Euro JPY?
Pardon? So this is 4 hour. I want to sell down to this area of interest before it turns bullish in line with the daily and weekly.
Yes.
So
You
is
want
that
to counter trend trade.
yes.
Okay.
This
But
your
it's
tip?
it's high risk trade.
Yeah. And it's fine for
Market
me.
market at the daily previous structure point and reject it.
Let me see. I can't hide this stuff.
Yeah, you open the daily chart.
1 second. Show meeting. Okay, hide control. 1 second. Hide meeting.
Okay, no problem.
Layout. Spec out. Oh. Okay, yeah. So yeah, daily.
Okay, this one is daily.
Yes.
And little bit you go previous, go back. No. Put the
Okay.
horizontal line on previous structure point.
Yeah.
Yes, horizontal line on previous structure point.
I can help. Bilal, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ daily ਦਾ higher low ਦਾ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ previous structure point ਨਹੀਂ ਦਾ daily ਦਾ ਇਹਲਾ.
Yeah.
Yes, this one. And you ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਤੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਾ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪਏ ਆ ਜੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ
So
ਸੈਲ
he's
ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਰੀਟੈਸਟ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਸੈਲ ਕਰ
okay ਜੇ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਟੱਚ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੈਲ ਹੋਣਾ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈਨ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈਨ ਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਤੂੰ
ਹਾਂ
ਮੇਰਾ
ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੇ ਜਦੋਂ
ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਚਾਰਟ ਵੇਖ ਲਵੇ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਨਾ
so what he's saying is you've okay let me see how I can so this horizontal line that you just put on the market structure
Yeah.
he's saying if you want to take the counter trend wait for the candlestick to close below this line and then take the
Okay.
sell.
Okay, it should
ਦੂਜਾ
close
ਨੂੰ
below this line, yeah?
Yes, so
Yes.
this line that you created, wait for the candlestick to close below the
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ
line and then sell.
ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਨਾਲੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਤੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਬੈਕ ਤੇ ਜਾਏ ਚਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਕ ਤੋਂ ਵੇਖੇ
He's saying, can you show the chart? Can you go back a little bit? Can you minimize it, or just go back?
another structure at the previous data.
Okay, so he's going, yeah. So try to find another market structure in the previous. Can you see something?
Nope.
Have this
Okay,
one.
yeah.
If you want to sell market, you have to wait market break this area, retest this area, then sell.
Okay.
This is my opinion. Because market now above this area, I think market gives the push up. That's why it's not on my weekly list. If you see my chart, it's better clear. You see.
Okay.
No, this one. Yes, this one. If market breaks this one and retest, then sell. See the rejection and sell counter trend trade.
So what he's saying, wait for the same thing. Wait for the candlestick to close below that structure point, and then look for sells.
Okay, I see.
Yes, it's my opinion.
Okay.
Because market right now rejecting the previous structure point and rejecting the area.
Okay, so when it rejects, it can go up from here. Can it go up from here?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
That
Market
is why it's
creates
a
a
high
very
risk trade.
strong push upside. And downside, I can't see any momentum in downside. Market up momentum is very clear and very strong push.
Okay. I think the weekly is also bullish.
Yes, bigly bullish.
Yeah. And it can go up from here.
Yes, but wait for this one break and test.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is clear, not high risk trade, because when market below this area, market go downside.
All right. All right. Thanks. I get it now.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bilal, very much.
Thank you so much. And you can see my chart when I draw this box. If market break this box, you can sell. If market not break this box, it's very high risk trade market push upside.
Yep.
When market below this area, market go downside. Like this one, wait for break, retest, then sell the area of interest. Otherwise, I see the clear push, market give the push upside here. But it's a high risk trade. That's why I don't add in my weekly list.
But why I didn't consider that because it didn't have three touches, so I didn't count it as a strong
No, I don't
AOI.
want here for three touches.
Okay.
I see here structure only. Because this two structure, market maybe make here another third touch and give the push upside.
Okay.
Possible market create here one structure and push upside or break this one retest, then you sell its better entry.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, Jasmine, now I want to leave because I want to go airport.
Of course, of course. Thank you so
Thank you.
much for your time, Shannon. Thank you so much for your time, James.
Thank you. ਭਾਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬ੍ਰਦਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਕੱਲਾ ਵੀ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੇਖ
ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ
ਲੈਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੜੀ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ ਭਾਜੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਗਾਇਸ ਟੇਕ ਕੇਅਰ ਗਾਇਸ
guys take care
Thank you, Bilal. We'll be in touch.
thank you
Hey, Marco, I know that you're here. Is Marco still here?
Looks like he is.
Yeah. Marco? Oh, Shannon left too. Okay. Marco, are you able to take the lead, or I don't speak English well? No worries. We're going to you only speak Italian? Yes, okay. Um, I understand if you have a broken English and you don't feel comfortable, but don't worry, I can help you. I mean, I used to speak Italian, I don't speak it anymore, but if I can help, I'll be happy to do it. It's only to ask you if you have anything to add to the pairs that Bilal had on his list. Anything else that you want to share or answer any questions? Marco, if you want, you can unmute yourself. A little bit. If you speak slowly, I'll try my best to go back to my high school years of Italian.
Ciao Jasmine, mi senti?
Ciao Marco.
Faccio difficoltà a parlare l'inglese, a scriverlo vado meglio, però
No worries.
nel parlarlo un po' di meno.
Okay.
Vediamo.
I mean, do you want to try to speak English and then we can help you or no?
Ok. Mm.
Awesome. So Armando speaks Spanish, so we'll do our best to between the two of us, we'll do our best to translate.
Allora, faccio più o meno quello che vedo questa settimana è USD JPI.
GJ, yeah, can you can you speak slower though? So I can differentiate the words? That would be awesome.
Yeah, he said
Okay.
the first thing I see this week is USD JPY.
Oh my God, Armando, you're fluent. Awesome. So you'll do the
Well,
Okay.
translation.
Okay.
it's pretty similar to Spanish and Italian,
Yeah,
so I might like get some words.
yeah.
Okay. Bearish, Emma,
Mhm.
macro contro USD. Quindi mi aspetto una discesa per quanto riguarda USD GPI. GBP USD.
Okay,
Wait,
wait.
Marco, he's going to translate.
So if you go back to the previous pair, USD JPY, or
Ok.
yeah, he said that the first thing that he saw is that we are gonna reject the EMA. So if we reject the EMA, he's gonna sell, continuing with the bearish.
Right.
USD molto indebolito per quanto riguarda la macroeconomia Trump.
Okay, he's saying that it's very bullish because of the Trump's economy, but it might reject the EMA.
Okay.
Thank you. GBP USD
Mm-hmm.
o M Lema. Ok?
Mhm.
Vedo che deve rompere questa zona per andare al di sotto, altrimenti guarderò un pochino la macro su, perché io utilizzo molto anche la macroeconomia, non so se qualcuno di voi lo fa.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, there with the macroeconomics, we are gonna wait for it to break the EMA, reaches the EMA, and then sell.
So
Ok,
Marco, you trade a lot with the the with
News.
news, politics, and and economy. You don't just look at the price action, right?
no, guardo anche news, quindi news della settimana,
Okay. The news of the week, yeah.
Yeah.
quindi GBP oggi no, ok. Qui abbiamo CAD,
Mm-hmm.
GBP 22, quindi CPI, consumer sull'economia. Quindi qua vado a vedere un pochino i dati se sono a favore o a sfavore per quanto riguarda il GBP.
Okay, so yeah, he looks at the news and he sees if it's in favor or not of the pair he's looking for.
Right.
USD molto debole. Ci troviamo in una fascia di lateralizzazione, quindi vedete com'è. Mi aspetto una rottura di questo livello qui.
Okay, so
Ma
he said there's been consolidating for a long period of time, and he's waiting for it to break that structure to resist and sell.
Yeah. And this is, I'm sorry, Euro USD, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
sì, Euro USD, bravissimo.
Yeah.
Poi quando parlerò un pochino meglio l'inglese, io trado due pair, diciamo sempre scalping, che è oro è una mia strategia diversa dalla vostra, che io lo trado molto questo pair, e il secondo pair che faccio scalping è US30. Una strategia un po' molto diversa dalla nostra, però quando parlerò un pochino meglio l'inglese vi spiegherò un po' come sfruttare diciamo, questa strategia soltanto alle 3:30 del pomeriggio. Quindi in apertura di open market potete fare buon trade qua. Da 15:30 italiane, poi non so in base all'orario vostro, quando è l'open market potete sfruttarla con dei livelli che poi vi spiegherò, non è difficile.
Okay, he's saying that whenever he speaks very Italian, he can explain us that strategy that he scalps those gold and that pair that I don't know if it's futures or what it is gold 30. Um, but he says that it's a scalping strategy in the 3 and 5 minutes, and he can explain us that better in the future.
Okay, sure.
Ok, ok.
But it looks so intense. Like
Yeah, yeah, it is.
I much prefer to start with what I learned and perfect that, and then maybe be able to translate it and feel more comfortable on lower time frames. But
Yeah,
that's just me.
the thing when we start getting more into the market, the thing that happens is that swing gets boring per se because I mean you're looking at the screen all the time and you're just waiting for something to happen and then you take a trade and you have nothing to do. So sometimes you get like addicted to being on the screen. So scalping sounds like a great idea. Once we have perfected the swing trading and once you are like, like you're gonna be looking at the market like 30 minutes and it happens to us like oh, I've been looking at the screen for 4 hours and I haven't done it hasn't done anything. So while you wait, you can be scalping at the same time. So, but yeah, that's
Right.
in the future once we have
Yeah.
mastered like the strategy and we are more like into like
Yeah,
addicted to
I
looking
agree.
at the trades at the charts.
Totally agree.
No, dico questo perché ieri ho visto nel gruppo un ragazzo che cercava di, non so, se vuole vendervi qualcosa o magari spiegarvi una strategia. Poi se ti ricordi bene, Jasmine, ti dissi io, aspettate prima, cercate di padroneggiare questa strategia, poi più in là, magari io vi aiuto, non mi serve niente, me lo do gratis, cioè non è che ci devo guadagnare, però scalping è molto veloce, un po' stressante per la mente, quindi pian piano cercate prima di perfezionare questo.
Mm.
Yeah, he was saying that yeah, don't scalp right now that it's very stressing and very time intense. So first like master the swing strategy before you try scalping.
Yeah, yeah. I think Michelle is started scalping. I'm not sure because I think she alluded to it last week, like to take on the lower time frames, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Michelle, are you still here? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm here.
Ah, okay. Are you scalping?
I do scalp every morning, but I usually do futures. Sometimes I look at the currencies to see if there's opportunities. But yeah, I typically do everyday future scalping.
Mm. Is that intense? Like it's very stressful or
Oh yeah, definitely.
okay.
It is.
Okay. Marco, you're on
Allora,
GBP
quello che seguo, USD,
Okay.
CHF, quindi qua siamo sulla zona 1, giù, 3, 4. Sono i 4 pair che seguo questa settimana.
So those are the four pairs that he's gonna be looking this week.
Wait, so it's wait, hold on. Euro US, GBP USD, Euro USD, USD GBY, AUD USD.
USD CHF, GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD JPY.
Oh, I thought it was the red ones. Okay,
Thank
sorry.
you, Armand.
Yeah, for
Grande.
sure.
Very, very good.
Thank you, Armando. USD CHF, GBP USD. Okay, got you. And just curious, Marco, what are you going to do with USD CHF? Do you think there's going to be a wick fail, or do you think are you going to look for buys?
Sì, penso di comprare. Se vedo che è una buona spinta al rialzo, sì.
He's looking to buy.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you very much, Marco, for your time. Does anyone have a question? Want to jump in, ask something?
Grazie a voi, ragazzi.
John says, I'm waiting for 4 hour to go bullish to then retest and buy for USD JPY. Or USD JPY, not USD CHF, right, John? USD JPY, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you. Any other questions? No? Okay, so Marco again, thank you very much. Armando, thank you very much for translating. Thank you everyone for being here. I think that's going to be a great one. I'm going to stop the recording.